Hello, my name is Alejandro Vega, and we are Team 7, and this is normal distribution. Normal distribution is a function that represents distribution of many random variables as a symmetrical bell-shaped graph. These are different concepts from normal distribution: mean, variance, standard deviation. Standard deviation is a measure of all the spread numbers. Variance is the square root of the standard deviation, and the mean is the average of a population. This is the bell-shaped graph, and the empirical rule states that for a normal distribution, nearly all of the data will fall apart within 3 standard deviations from the mean. The empirical rule states that it's fallen apart in 3 parts. The first standard deviation from the mean is 68%, the second it's 95%, and the third standard deviation is 99.7%.
So this is an example of a normal distribution problem. First, we need to see the information that we have, and it is the mean, the standard deviation, and what we are asked to find. That is the probability between 33 and 35. For the first problem, we have to use this formula to find C. We introduce the data that we have into the formula, and it will give us a number. The result, we will search it in the tables we have, and that result, it's the result of one of the probabilities. We have to take the probability of 33 and the probability of 35 and subtract them so we can have the probability between those two. The next thing we are asked to find is the probability of more than 37 grams and the probability that 4 bags have more than 37 grams. For the second problem, we will use the formula the same, just that we will only use it once in the 37, and the result we have and found on the tables, we will subtract it to 1 because the tables gave us the less than probability, and the problem asks us to find the more than probability. Okay, so in the last part of the problem, we have to found the probability of 4 bags that weigh more than 27. To do this, we're gonna use the other formula, and we have to take in consideration the number of the sample. In this case, is 4 because of the 4 bags. So we enter the data in the formula, and it will give us a number that we will search in the tables, and then the result we will subtract it to 1 because it asks us to be a probability of more than 37. So this is it. Let's continue.
Normal distribution is used to represent a continuous variable like height, weight, blood pressure, etc. It can be also used to represent the individuals who possess extreme values and individuals with average values.
It is often used to approximate all distribution, and normal distribution has significant use in statistical quality control.